Programming jokes that will make you laugh. Why do programmers always mix up Halloween and Christmas? Because October 31st equals December 25th. Get it? Octal and decimal numbers are represented by October and Dec respectively. Why did the programmer quit his job? Because he didn't get a raise. Okay, that one was a little cheesy. But you have to admit, it's kind of funny. Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs.
We've all been there trying to debug our code in a brightly lit room, only to realize that the problem was staring us in the face all along.
So the next time you're feeling stressed out by your code, remember these jokes and take a moment to laugh. After all, laughter is the best debugging tool of all. Like, share and subscribe at code_af.